Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by opening both the sheet that contains the data and the sheet where you want the live value. Click the target cell to receive the link. This tells Excel where to place the result. Once selected, type equals, then switch to the source worksheet so Excel captures the proper path. Make sure to use cell addresses or create a named range first for clarity. Doing this prevents broken references if you later move cells or reuse the formula elsewhere. You now build the actual formula. Press equals and either click the source cell or type sheet name. A1, Excel inserts the sheet and cell reference automatically. If the source is another workbook, open it or let Excel write the full path such as equals file. XLSX sheet. A1, once done, Excel updates links when the file is open and will prompt to update when closed. Make sure to use named ranges when you need clarity or plan. You finish by pressing enter and confirming the target shows the live value. This ensures the link worked. If you see #ref or n/a, make sure the source file exists, the sheet name and cell remain unchanged, and that you saved external workbooks at least once. Once done, use data edit links or refresh to manage updates and break links if needed. This helps keep workbook integrity and prevents accidental data loss when you move or rename files.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.